Let's not attach ourselves to something that will end and not remain when we live with what we have in our hands. This is also reasonable. Then prepare for a life that will remain and be reunited indefinitely. I don't believe him, he says. Is there such a thing? You are trying to darken a life that you know for sure exists and that you live in, for the next future whose possibility of being or not being is uncertain. What you want to do is plain and simple. They say that there is indeed something like a fish in the water over there. I mean, I haven't seen that prophet once. But he has said good things, giving hope for the future, but it's not guaranteed. At this moment, it doesn't seem reasonable to lose something concrete like the guarantee that is in hand and experienced for something that is not guaranteed or assured. Then we must make certain of one thing. If we are unsure about the veracity of the promise made by the other party, namely the promise of Allah, if our assumption is correct but we opt not to seek confirmation, then we run the risk of trading an infinite reality for a limited reality, despite its inherent truth and the potential consequences that may arise from such a decision. Then we have to do something. Initially, we must ensure this. Therefore, life has occurred in a random manner, so let's savor it once. That is all. If we are certain about it, all right, you can proceed. But no, I researched, scrutinized, observed, and discovered that life cannot be confined to this. And I analyzed the revelation that was received and reached the conclusion that the true speaker is the possessor of life, not the words of any individual such as yourself or myself. He is aware. He always speaks truth. When discussing people, he speaks truth. When addressing matter, he speaks truth. When referring to the universe, he speaks truth. Allow me to at least inspect the details in the content I am referring to, and after conducting a thorough examination to verify its accuracy, if you claim it is false, it might be justifiable to reconsider the possibility of it manifesting in reality, at least regarding the promised subject matter pertaining to the future. Then your mind does not retreat. However, trust me, the devil will not allow this to happen. The devil will not allow you to do this. What are you going to read? You will learn. How much time will it take? No, but it sounds reasonable. I need to take a look. But you're non-Muslim, residing in England, America, and Canada, surrenders and embraces this religion while experiencing the beauties of life that I yearn for and desire to have. What is persuading him? Let me have a look as well. I never suggest that you should automatically agree with it solely based on such examples. No, it can only happen by experiencing the same reality and process. But when we are convinced, when we form an opinion, if it convinces us, but one thing is certain. If it is the message of the one who created us, it will match with us, just like the signal of the product finding the factory itself matches as soon as it is found. If it is the word of the one who created me, it will match with the nature in me, and the thing inside me will work. He will collaborate with us. He will inspire us. Yes, I have a sense of comprehending that the commitment of the potential that generates is genuine and extends further. A moment when this exhaustion ends, an opened page of hope and expectation carries us to an infinite future. The pleasure of this starts from the world.